In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to integrate LinkedIn Sales Navigator with Salesforce, so you can leverage your LinkedIn insights right inside your CRM. Let's get started. First, we'll access the Setup menu by clicking the gear icon in the upper right corner and selecting Advanced Setup. In the Quick Find search box, type in LinkedIn Sales Navigator and select it from the results. You'll see a toggle switch here. Go ahead and turn it on to enable the integration. Before we continue, you'll need to review and accept the terms of service by checking the agreement box. Scroll down until you find the Connect Salesforce to Sales Navigator section. Then click on Go to LinkedIn Settings. This will redirect you to LinkedIn. Make sure to sign in with the credentials that are linked to your Sales Navigator subscription. Back in Salesforce, let's head over to the AppExchange tab to complete the installation. Click the Install button to proceed with adding the Sales Navigator app. You'll see a prompt to visit the AppExchange. Click that button to continue. Use the search bar to look for LinkedIn Sales Navigator in the AppExchange marketplace. From the search results, select the official LinkedIn Sales Navigator for Salesforce listing. On the app's detail page, click Try It Free to start the installation workflow. You'll be redirected to a Salesforce login page. Enter your custom domain here to authenticate and continue. Select who should have access to this app, whether it's just admins, specific profiles, or all users. Then click Install. The installer needs permission to connect to LinkedIn services. Grant third-party access and hit Continue. Perfect. Once you've completed your login, return to Salesforce and you'll be all set. Your LinkedIn Sales Navigator integration is now active and ready to use.